Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got another music video for you guys, and this song came out a few weeks ago and I learned it, so get ready. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, why did I fall on time inside my head? I've been rooting up and down, they said it would be harmony. The flower side of me, the flower and oh, this is what it sounds like. Why did I fly in time around my head? All in real and all instead, all in harmony. The flower is on me, this is what it sounds like. Whoa, whoa. The Power Rangers on, this is what it sounds like. Why did I fall on time the top of my head? I'm running on you instead. I'm in harmony. The flower side of me. The Power Rangers on, oh, this is what sounds like. Why did I fly in time inside my head? I've been flying you instead. You've been harmony. The side inside of me. The Power Rangers on, oh, this is what it sounds like. We've been bringing on my head, it's gonna be instead. The Power Rangers on, well, this is what it seems like. But my mind ain't going on. We've been going flower song. We've been harmony. The flower side of me. The Power Rangers on, oh, this is what it sounds like. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.